I'm finally doing my dorm room tour. I've literally been trying to do this video since like the day I moved in. I just never got around to it, and I wanted to make sure I did it before my freshman year of college is officially over and I'm not living here anymore. For those of you who don't know, I go to the University of Rhode Island. And I know, like, before I came to school, I used to watch so many of these videos just to get ideas on like how to decorate my room and like what the size of it was. Oh my god, why can't I talk? I'm not used to this. I haven't like made a video in so long. I hope this helps some of you out. If you have any questions about anything, or like I forget to mention something, then just comment down below and I'll get back to you. But for the most part, I'll show you guys like an overview of the room, and then I'll go in depth about my stuff since I know where that's from. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here's a little overview of the room when you first walk in. That's what it looks like. You don't really have a great view. So this is my door from the hallway, and it came with that mirror on the door right there. But we didn't like that one, so I got this one from Bed Bath & Beyond. If you guys hear screaming outside, they're doing something for Greek Week. So this wall mirror is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it was honestly like 10 bucks. It wasn't that expensive at all. Also on this wall, I just have 2 command hooks, and we hang our winter coats on this wall just to keep them out of the closet because they take up so much space. This is like the door area, and this is our closet, and I actually put that rod there. My grandma got me that rod and hooks. And then I got this shower curtain from Target because it was our colors, and I thought it was really cute, and it just kind of like masks the whole hot mess that's going on in there. But I will show you guys what the closet looks like. Okay, so this is the closet. A lot happening. Basically like where we keep everything. These shelving things is actually the bookshelf that came on my desk, and I didn't want it because I thought it would take up too much space. So I put it in the closet, and we just keep like all of our shoes on there. And then on top we have like cleaning supplies. In there is like forks, spoons, plates and stuff. And then that's my bag, and I just have like extra like reusable bags in there. So like Lulu bags, TJ Maxx bags, etc. Here, Morgan and I have our hats on the wall on just like little baby command hooks, and then some of our bags hanging up, and then that's where we keep like our shower stuff. And this is my shower caddy. I got this at Target, and then these are my shower shoes, which are just Old Navy flip-flops. This wall of the closet, we have again some more hooks, and then we just keep our towels and robes there. This robe is really soft. I got it. My mom got it for me at Kohl's. Then coming down, I'm a mess. My stuff is everywhere. But more hooks. If this would ever stay. This is just my hook, and I just have my backpack and my purse on here all the time. And then our hunters are down there. This is where we keep like all of our clothes. I really don't hang a lot of my stuff. I just hang like sweaters and jackets and stuff. And then that's my hamper, which is also from Target. I keep like water bottles down there since we have nowhere else to put them. And also this vacuum is from Target. It was also like, I think only like 20 bucks, but I literally vacuum like every day of my life, and it's tiny. It doesn't really take up space. So that's a really good vacuum if you want one for your dorm room. So moving on, here's the rest of the room. The lighting's kind of weird. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have filmed this time of day, but I thought it'd be pretty. It's like almost golden hour. So this ottoman, I literally just keep like right here in front of our dressers, and that's from Target as well. It's really good to keep like extra sheets and stuff in there. So I have like extra pillowcases, blankets, good place to hide alcohol. Not kidding. And then these are our dressers. We just stacked them. And then on top here is where our printer is. Then this is my diffuser. We're not supposed to have this, but oh, I unplugged it. But we just keep this here, and sometimes I like to just put it on. That's my toothbrush that I also need to keep plugged in. This M is actually Morgan's. I don't know where she got it from, but I can try to find out, and I'll write it in the comments down below. But that's really cute too. We just have that on our side of the room because we both start with M's. Back there, I have this sign. I don't know where this is from actually. It just says hello in a bunch of different languages. Probably honestly from Target. Just goes in front of these things. I just have this Prosecco bottle because I thought it was cute, and then I have a vase back there because sometimes when Nick visits me, he brings me flowers and I need somewhere to put them. Okay, so then we're going up here to this wall. So I have 2 pictures of like fashion. Those both are from the store at home. And they're so cute. So I'm moving down. This is my desk area. These little, what are they called? Cork boards I got at Walmart. This is my desk area. So I just have like literally my everyday items. Starting over here, this mirror is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I just got a gray one. And then I keep like all my jewelry on here. I have all my bracelets and earrings, and I keep those in this little jewelry tray that I got when I was in Spain. So this is like not my everyday jewelry, just like stuff like that I wear sometimes. And then normally I keep my rings on here too. This little flamingo tray my mom actually got when she went to Las Vegas from the Flamingo Hotel. So I just keep my like rings, and then this bracelet that I wear all the time just has an N for Nick, and then my watch. Little 3 drawers are from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. They have an acrylic top so you can like see through. And normally I just have a post-it note like of my like homework or things to do just to remind me. But I'll go through my stuff for you. So the first drawer, I just have some wallflowers and some essential oils for my diffuser, and some hand sanitizer for when I run out. Just keep a bunch of hair accessories, so like hair ties, headbands, little baby rubber bands. And then the bottom drawer just has medication and stuff like that. Oh, these are good to have. I should mention this. In college, just like vitamin C or immune support tablets or like chewables are good to have, because whenever I feel like I'm getting sick, I just eat these and then I don't get sick. So knock on wood, but they're good to have. And then coming over here, I have these 2 white frames from Target. So I just have one with a picture of me and Nick, and then one with my family. This is from Amazon. I think Nick's mom got this one for me. So I just keep like all my makeup brushes there, and then my Burt's Bees, of course, it's like my go-to. My eyelash brush, my Laneige lip sleeping mask, all-time favorite. Brazilian Crush spray. Can you tell I watch Maggie McDonald? Just a hand sanitizer, my micellar water, this little solid perfume that I got from a soap store in Newport. And coming over here, I have my desk lamp, which I don't really use a lot, but sorry, I just blinded you guys. It's just gold, and that's from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have my mirrored sunglasses from Shein, and then my AirPods. This case I just got, actually, isn't it so cute? I got that from Amazon. I have this little like file desk organizer from Home Goods, and I just keep like important papers in there and stuff, and then some body sprays. And then right now I just have my planner and this little notebook that I've been writing in. So those just kind of stay there. I have these 2 drawers right here. This top drawer, sorry, I'm like kind of a mess, but you get the gist of everything. I just have like makeup that I don't wear all the time. This has like floss sticks and Q-tips and cotton balls. And I just have some more medicine here. Deodorant, lotion, favorite moisturizer of all time, Hydro Boost by Neutrogena, if it would ever focus. Which it's not, but that's that. Random stuff, but more like beauty and health related items. And this drawer, I actually hate this drawer, it's a mess, but I'll just show you guys anyway. My melatonin, some coconut oil for my hair, and then like my hair tools and brush. That's a mess, I don't like going in there. And then I just have my trash can underneath, which you guys don't really need to see. And then, which that's actually from, it's cute, it's just like a rose gold pinky color from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I have that pink crate back there, which is from Walmart, and I just keep like all my books in there for school. This is like my favorite part of the room. I'm going to start with my bed. So this is my bed. Morgan and I share the bunk beds. And I have the bottom bunk. I have like a pink and gray theme going on. My comforter and that pink pillowcase are UGG, and they're from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then my sheets and like my pillowcases, this one is like gray and white stripes. I thought it was so cute. Are from Target, as well as this fluffy pillowcase. That pillow is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. My body pillow and pillowcase are also from Target. This blanket is from TJ Maxx. Nick got this for me. It's Kate Spade. This one's also from Home Goods. It's just cute. It has like little fluffy things on the bottom. These pictures hanging under my bed. I actually got this like in a little set, but you can literally just use a piece of twine and clothespins, and then I printed out the pictures with my HP Sprocket, which is basically like a Polaroid for digital photos from your camera roll. So I just have pictures of like my family and my friends and Nick, and then I have a couple quotes hanging. My pink fluffy rug is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and then underneath my bed we just keep like boxes with like our snacks, and I have extra like towels and laundry detergent in that one. And this is Morgan's bed. Those lights that she has above her bed are actually mine, and those are from Target. And then these ones are hers. I don't know where they're from, but I'm assuming Target. So this really is like my favorite part of the room. I'll just start here. I have this little like plastic 3-drawer set from Target, and I just have like my underwear and bras in that one, and then socks in there, and then extra sleep stuff in there. The top of it, I have my little succulent that I got at a fair at home last year. I'm surprised it's still alive, but it's like my baby. And then I have this frame of me and Nick, which is from Target. Literally everything in this video is from Target. So this book I've been trying to read every night before bed because I get stressed out so easily. So I like to keep this by my bed so it's in close reach. And then this book I've been meaning to read. It seems really interesting, and I like reading for fun if I enjoy the book. So I've been meaning to read that, so that's why that's there. And it's cute because it's pink. I just have my wallflower there. Right now I have cucumber melon in there. This really cute sign that Morgan's friend made for us. And then all of the rest of our succulents. So then this is the coffee cart. That's from Target as well. And then we just have the Keurig there. I keep some K-cups in that little container. And then that coffee jar is also from Target. And then there's a sign back there that says "Life is Beautiful," also from Target. Surprise, Target again. And then that container just has like reusable cups and like oatmeal and hot chocolate and tea. Then we just have a lotion there that like we all kind of use. That unicorn is Jess's. I'm not sure where it's from. Sign is Morgan's as well. We just like to change out the quotes a lot. Drawers are probably from Target or Walmart. I'm not sure. Her little desk area. Super cute. And then we have this rug that's Morgan's, which is from Home Goods. Our fridge and microwave section. Up there we have that sign as well, which is from At Home. Like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.